Next, you go to the feed water screen and input your feed water chemistry. For ion exchange, since you're trying to remove specific ions and the performance depends on the exact water chemistry, it is important to input accurate information about your water composition. So you have at the top, you do not have to worry about water type and water subtype. Those are things used by the membrane processes, but you do have to enter things like what is your TSS, obviously the temperature. If you have a lot organics, enter your organics, the pH, and then you have your ion composition where you can enter any ion in units of milligrams per liter or ppm as calcium carbonate or as milliequivalent per liter, whichever is most convenient for you. To save time, I'm going to make use of the water library. So we have in the top right here, we have a water library where you can have various waters that we have pre-populated, or you can create a water and save it here yourself and then use it for other projects. So this is loaded in the water, and we can check on the bottom that the water is very well charge balanced, so we do not need to do anything special to charge balance the water. We can now move straight on to designing our ion exchange system.